Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with another cool product. This is from SecureDrive.com. It's the SecureUSB KP. It's a hardware encrypted USB flash drive, which is pretty darn cool. You can unlock the onboard keyboard to get into the drive and secure it, and of course do all sorts of other stuff as well. Comes in several different options of availability and size: a 4 gigabyte, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128 gigabyte options. If you want bigger drives and more complex stuff, you can also look at their website to see some of the other reviews we've done in their products that we've been very impressed with. They have FIPS 140-2 level 3 security, award-winning Red Dot 2019 award winner. It's got IP57 dust and water resistance, hardware encryption of AES 256-bit XTS, OS independent, works on any OS or devices. User authentication is built right into the keyboard on it. Admin, user mode, read-write mode, read-only mode, auto lock, 3-year limited warranty. Pretty amazing, all the different things you can get with this and do with it. And the interface is a USB 3.0 to 3.1. And yeah, it gives you that nice real-time military-grade data protection that's always good to take and have. Wow, it comes with 3-year limited warranty, so you gotta love that. Data transfer speeds up to 130 megabytes per second read, up to 43 megabytes per second write. So it'll get your work done for you and also protect what you're doing. We had a chance to review these, and we reviewed a number of products from SecureDrive.com. Be sure to search for those in the Chris Voss Show and check out those reviews as well. We liked it. We can highly recommend it, so be sure to check it out. The app is pretty cool. If you buy some of their Bluetooth drives, you can use an app to take and unlock it as well. Pretty neat stuff they got going on over there. Be sure to check out their website. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss says that Chris Voss approved.